Welcome back to another tutorial for the Subnautica 2 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphics settings within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Subnautica 2 on your device, and after you are taken into the main menu, click on Settings at the bottom section. Then from the Settings page, make sure that you are within the Graphics tab, and you can choose the appropriate resolution for your display unit. Make sure to keep the frame limiter as off, and only turn on VSync if you notice screen tears within your game. You can also turn off motion blur to reduce the load on your GPU.
Now, if you scroll down, you can also use from various different upscaling methods. This ranges from TSR and DLSS. You may choose from the various ones that are available, and these also have various presets that you can choose from. If you want to reduce the load on your GPU, it is recommended to use an upscaling method and also turn on frame generation. Now, underneath you have the graphics quality preset, where you have different presets ranging from low, medium, high, and epic. There is also the option to run a hardware benchmark, which will detect the hardware on your device and suggest you the best options or the best preset for you. Try using the epic or the high preset at first and see how these settings go feel. Click on Apply and then start your game.
If you are satisfied with the performance that you are getting, then you may continue to use these settings. Otherwise, just pause your game and go back into settings.
Now, by scrolling down and going into the quality preset, you can try reducing by one step. If you want to set a custom preset, then it will be helpful to reduce the shadow quality, the foliage, as well as reflections and post-processing. By trying the various different presets,
you can find the optimal balance of performance and quality for your game. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the Subnautica 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.